Installing and removing a case on your iPhone is pretty straightforward, but it can sometimes feel a little intimidating if you're dealing with a case that's tight and doesn't go on very easily. The process is usually the same regardless of what type of case you have. The pressure points are in the corners of your phone, so a good technique is to start with one corner and then work your way to the next corner from there. If you're removing a case, you'll need a pretty strong initial push to get the phone partially out of the case. The camera cutout is usually a good place where you can push the phone and apply enough force without bending the phone or the case. Don't use tools. Your hands and some grip strength is all you need. Once you get one corner out, you can then gently pull the phone out and the case should come off nicely. Some cases are tighter, some come off pretty easy, depends what you're dealing with. To install a case, you'll basically do the same thing but reversed. It's usually easier to start with one corner or one end of your phone first. Get that aligned in the case and then start pushing the rest of the phone in. Make sure each corner gets nicely seated in the case. Sometimes it might look like your phone is fully in the case, but a closer look will tell that one corner is still ever so slightly off. If you see corners where the phone's display sits higher than the case, give it a push and make sure the phone locks in and sits as deep as it goes. Most cases will have the edge of the case sit just slightly above your display. This way, if you drop your phone, it'll be the case that takes the impact and not the glass of your screen. Which is also why it's important to make sure that your phone is fully pushed in and none of the corners are sticking out. And that's how you install and remove a case. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.